stop. Push that in. Now start it again.
Try it again a little bit.
Do it one more time. Try it one more time with the choke out, you know? And the guy told us, we've seen the instructions.
Yeah.
Once you hit that starting, you can push that in. Let it go, leave it. I started to say, just let it do that.
Yeah.
Now do it again and it might start.
We never got it to do that.
No, we never got it to do that part.
Yeah.
There you go. Now hit the button. Also, take the brake off. Next time, take the brake off. Yeah. Push that forward a little. Yeah. Now do it. Man, yeah, it started too.
It's trying to start,
Yeah, like that. We never heard it. Like
Yeah, it never turned over like that before.
turned over.
No. And you got to start like that. I think that might be too far, that brake. Once you have it started, you can take the brake off. And once you take the brake off, that's when you can hit the throttle.
Yeah, because they want you to have it locked.
Do it in half. Yeah.
Yeah, pull it back.
You had it half like that. Yeah. I think you had it halfway.
Look at the cold start.
Oh, okay. Cold start.
Yeah, because it says